Monday, everybody. It is 10 a.m. EST. Look at this trade at key Fibonacci target. This is one knowledgeable trader moving his stop outside of break-even. Look at the market structure this morning as market moving drastically higher. Are you surprised? Should not be. We discussed with students before trading room opened that institutions buying the market this morning. What was the problem? Problem was price opened up this morning at this resistance. My goodness, this is not the place to buy. Why else is that a problem? It is also institutional resistance present in front of you since last year. This is also institutional resistance where price been struggling since March. Ultimate target. If you miss the trades in the room that show you the accuracy of the method, give yourself a favor, watch YouTube channel. Institutional resistance decision point 2, not to be ignored. This been a brick wall previous 4 days. And this is 1 minute chart in front of you this morning. Clear on that? All the rules in the course. Price is rallying. Institutions buying this market. Look at that. Exact same accuracy that you saw in the room on this institutional chart that's been present in front of you since 2011. Key institutional support, 1800 number. When price had shown you very, very clearly, bullish rally will go on if this support respected. As price skyrocketed to 2800, no surprise. And that's what you're seeing in front of you every day in day trading room. What is the problem on this trade? Reversal zone is reached. Price is struggling. Price right now can collapse completely. It is essential and crucial to respect reversal zone. Look at that. Are you surprised? In the course you learn sniper's mentality. In the course you learn strategies that you can trade on any instrument, any time frame, any platform you will choose to trade. Price collapsing from reversal zone as expected. Reminding you, that's the reason I named this proprietary Fibonacci level reversal zone. Price reverses as expected. Pulling a trigger randomly, never an option. It will be a gift if price right now will again collapse all the way down from this resistance to back down this day trading support. Absolutely no surprise whatsoever. Carol knows that as she shorted the market this morning. That's what knowledgeable trader does. Look at that. Carol shorted the market, closed 10 points with 10 contracts. Jean 5 points with 7 lots. These are knowledgeable traders. These are students in the course who know extremely well knowledge is power. Being follower in day trading, never, ever, ever an option. So, to the downside, 1 minute chart respecting key Fibonacci support. Pablo knows that. Complete beginner trader. When Pablo came to the course, he never pushed the button on his computer. He never operated trading platform. Pablo's accuracy within 2 weeks of the start of the course. Never ceased to amaze me how quickly beginner traders like Pablo Master everything in the course. No baggage, no bad habits. Everyone's seeing that this morning. Pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exits. Nothing less, nothing more. All the details in the class that we will start at 11 a.m. EST this morning. Decision point to respected, just like it is on S&P monthly, famous 1800 number. And that's what you see every day in the trading room, in front of you, every day. Exact same accuracy of the method on any instrument, any time frame. Knowledgeable trader adjusts his trail very, very carefully. Look at that. It's only a correction. Price did not crash through Fibonacci support. S&P is doing exact same thing as Euro. As Euro respecting Fibonacci support since January 2018. S&P 1 minute chart doing exact same thing as Tesla. Look at that. Tesla sold off from reversal zone present in front of you since last year until this Fibonacci support. Look at the dance on Tesla between this support to this resistance, and that S&P this morning respecting this support just like Tesla, just like Euro. The only difference, you don't have to wait for days, weeks, months and years to see the accuracy of the method. You see it in front of you every day in the trading room. You want to trade Euro? You want to trade Pound? You want to trade Tesla? Choice is yours. Reversal zone is a problem. Knowledgeable trader knows the importance of this level. Knowledgeable trader also knows we're dealing with institutional resistance this morning, not to be ignored, not to be ever entered near. Exact same decision point 2, institutional resistance, that's been present in front of you since March, is what we've taken advantage of this morning from key Fibonacci support. That was again key target last week, key resistance. And that's what you're seeing in front of you right now. Nothing less, nothing more. Ultimate retracement from Fibonacci reversal zone. We're off to class after the close of the room. Class will start this morning at 11 a.m. EST. Everyone hears me? We're not going to babysit the market this morning. The market giving you such volatile formations. Knowledgeable trader closes his trading room very quickly. Your success will not come from staring at the screen. Your success will come from mastering price action and Fibonacci. Your maximum work week, 10 hours per week. Maximum. Nothing less, nothing more. You learn the rules, you apply the rules to any instrument you will choose to trade. Look at this brick wall. Look at this reversal zone. The exact same thing you're witnessing right now on S&P 1 minute chart as price reversing as expected. That's the reason I named this level reversal zone as price crushing as low as possible. Is exact same thing happening on S&P monthly. My goodness, look at that. Do you remember this reversal zone identified years in advance? Do not be surprised. This is what's holding this sell-off this support level present in front of you for years. And that's what's happening currently on S&P 1-minute chart. Identical formula, identical reversal zone. Every day, every time. Entering into reversal zone, never ever ever an option. What you witnessed this morning is once again very powerful reminder. Fibonacci is the only natural tool in the markets. Everything else is afterthought. Trader who understands that Fibonacci is what forms the market, is what identifies your trend inception and trend reversal levels, takes advantage of the markets at ultimate trade entries. All the rules in the class after the close of the room at 11 a.m. EST this morning. Knowledge is power. So ladies and gentlemen, if you would like to join us in the course, please join us in Fibonacci Mastery Course. We're off to class right after the close of the room. Class will start at 11 a.m. EST. All group classes are live, private mentoring 16 with group course 8. So I have only one spot left in private mentoring. After that, waiting list. So if you called me and you said you're signing up for private mentoring, but you didn't sign up until you sign up, it doesn't mean anything. So, but please speak with me first. So, it's my joy and pleasure being here with you, traders. If you want to listen to Carol, if you want to listen to Pablo, if you want to listen to Jean, there are audio testimonies on the websites. Students become my dearest friends for life. So, Carol's testimony all the way on top. As you saw, Carol was posting her results in the room this morning. Carol is my dearest friend for life. You can see her pictures on the website. Story like Carol, like Jean, like Pablo is the reason I live and breathe what I do. So please review everything on the website and never hesitate to contact me on the Contact Us page, info@fibinstitute.com or 925-257-4298. Thank you, traders. My joy and pleasure being with you.